cannot explain to you what that means at that moment.
They almost diverted the flight.
In Shamah is me gelegen in the Spitznus. I felt that that's it.
Any medics in the Wesley Hills area? Patient with a history, difficulty breathing.
By the time we hung up the phone, there was 5 cars that pulled up.
We've all become so attached to this family, and we all try to grab this car.
We were calling Hatzolo sometimes daily, sometimes twice a day. And we became frequent flyers. The fear of a parent that doesn't have any direction.
I don't know how I would handle this without Hatzolo.
It's not a problem. I'm here to help, no matter who, no matter what.
Level monsey to proceed to 47 carbon for a possible drowning. CPR in progress.
The whole family was sitting in the living room. All of a sudden, they couldn't find his son. They're all looking all over the place. My wife runs out. She sees him floating on the top of the pool. 30 seconds later, 2 members came to the house and started working on it. I cannot explain to you what that means at that moment, to have these people here. I cannot explain in words how valuable that is as a parent in that situation.
I responded to my career, I would say over 10,000 calls. I started feeling respiratory distress. It was Hatzolo called Hatzolo. So we decided I have to go to the hospital. I had a chance to feel what the patient feels when he is on the stretcher. They admitted me. It was so severe, I really couldn't take a breath. I couldn't inhale. And I started pressing this bag. The idea came from this device. That's how I saved my life.
Baruch Hashem, 10 years later, here's my son with me.
I have no words to express our hakaras hatov.
Thanks and the zechut for all the Hatzolo members that were there for us.
It seems just like yesterday that we did CPR on Yitzhak. We just wouldn't give up. It creates a bond that lasts forever. It creates a certain unity that lasts.
We Rockland Hatzolo units stand in unity.
On call 24/7 to save lives.
No matter who, no matter where.
Count on us to always be there.